Hello everyone. Now in this video we are going to talk about facility layout procedures. For me, this is the best part. This is the one of the most part I love in this lecture. Um, in in this topic, we are going to discuss about very important things like facility layout procedures, methods, and algorithms for optimal design. In our industrial engineering journey, we have already learned how to gather product data, calculate machine counts, and analyze material flow patterns. Now the big question is how do we actually combine all of this information to build a complete factor floor plan. To answer it, facility planners use structured design methodologies and computer algorithms. Today we will look at classical layout planning frameworks like Apple's Reed's and Mother's methods. We will also examine the different optimization objectives that power computer AI tools. Let's start with the two main layout design approaches. Uh, The first one is layout design approach, construction versus improvement. When we look at layout algorithms and techniques, we can group them into two main approaches, construction type method and improvement type methods. First, construction type methods. Develop facility layouts entire from scratch. Think of this as starting with a completely blank piece of paper. The designer or the algorithm systematically builds the planned configuration by placing one department at a time. These choices are made based on closeness relationship priorities and the physical space requirements of each department. The second one is improvement type methods. Uh, Improvement type methods begin with a layout that already exists. This might be the current layout of an active factory or a random initial solution. The technique then makes iterative step-by-step modifications by systematically evaluating different department positions and swapping them. These methods progressively reduce material handling costs until they find a much better arrangement. Now we are going to talk about classic layout planning frameworks. The first one is Apple's planned procedure. This developed by GM Apple. This is a very comprehensive 20-step framework. It guides the designer all the way from initial data collection through production process analysis and material flow planning to constructing the final master layout and installing it. A key characteristic of Apple's method is that it's highly iterative. Planners frequently go back and revisit earlier steps as they discover news. Reed's plan layout procedure developed by Reed. This method provides a systematically plan of attack that focus heavily on the layout planning chart as its central cornerstone tool. This chart integrates everything into the one single visual sheet, flow process, standard times, um, material handling needs. It's also consider personal needs like office requirements and feature factory explanation space. And now we are going to talk about SLP framework. Uh, we will understand the SLP X, U, O. We evaluate quality factors part. The planner then combines both of these analyses into a single relationship diagram. In this network diagram, the departments are drawn as physical nodes. These nodes are connected by lines of varying thickness or color. For example, a thick line represents a very strong relationship, meaning those departments must be next to each other. Uh, this visual this visual network guides the planner during the spatial arrangement phases. In this part, we are going to talk about algorithm classification and K-layout algorithms. Uh, Actually, we are going to talk about how modern computers solve these problems. Uh, these are the computer layout algorithms, distance based on objectives, adjacency based on objectives, and K-layout algorithms like craft, block plan, graph based methods, MIP. Firstly, we will talk about distance-based objectives. These algorithms aim to minimize the total material handling cost of the factory. The objective function calculates the sum of the material flow multiplied by the distance between departments. The mathematical goal is simple: place departments with high interaction volumes as close together as possible. Adjacency-based objective. This algorithm focus on maximizing an adjacency score based on relationship chart data. Uh, Also, craft method is a classic improvement algorithm. Uses a distance-based objective and iteratively swaps of adjacent departments to reduce material handling costs. Block plan algorithm is generates and evaluates multiple layout alternatives using quality relationship data. The last method is graph-based methods, MI and MIP. Graph-based methods, as you can notice from its name, uses the graphics and trying to find the optimal mathematical solution. In this part, we are going to talk about the pairwise exchange method. Uh, it contains four steps. First, it starts with an initial layout and calculates the total material handling cost. The second one is it systematically tests and evaluates every possible two department exchange or swap. In the third part, it selects the specific swap that yields the greatest cost reduction and updates the layout. In the final, it repeats these entries process until no further cost reducing swaps can be found. This leaves the planner with local optimal arrangement. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask it on the comment part. Have a nice day. Thank you very much.